In this video, I'll be showing you how to create YouTube thumbnail in ChatGPT for free. So you don't need to have any subscription to be able to create beautiful YouTube thumbnails using ChatGPT. Well, my name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, before you continue to watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related videos. So let's say you've created a video and you want to create a thumbnails for YouTube so that your video can look more attractive. So what you can do in ChatGPT is the following. Here you can see on your left hand side, we have, for example, we can open a slide. Here we have new chat, search, and we have image. So click on the image. And here in the image, you can see it says try a style on an image. So we can actually click on specific style to try. But let's try the following first of all. If I just enter the following, for example, I've created a video on how to fix remote desktop can't connect to a specific device for one of these reasons. Sometimes you want to connect using remote desktop and you receive an error message. So I want to create a YouTube thumbnail for it. So let me just enter this text and then click here. Let's just click go. But mind you, this is going to actually take some time because if, for example, I think I'll need to do that. Okay, it's trying to create it. So there's a limit of thumbnails you can actually create for a day. I think it's about 7 between 7 and 10 thumbnails or image you can create if you are using a free version. Then you need to wait for another like 24 hours to be able to create more image. So let's just wait to see what image is being created for us. Here we go. You can see that a beautiful image has just been created for us. And if I click on it, you can see it says fix the remote desktop can't connect. And here it's giving me a specific, these are sometimes the error message you receive. And it's here you can see a just slide of a computer with connection failed. And also there's a text here which says to the remote computer for one of this reason. That is fix the remote desktop can't connect to the remote computer for one of this reason, with someone kind of showing a lot of with a frustration face. So you can see how beautiful this image is. So if you want to create this image on your own, it is going to take you a lot of work. And sometimes you may not be able to create it as perfect as this. But if I just go back again, we also have some option here. I can like, dislike. I can even download or even share this image. I can decide to share this image. For example, we can share on X, LinkedIn, Reddit, or we can download. But if you want to download, here we can also do share. Here we'll have more option to branch in new chat. So let me just click download. So when you click download, you can see that your file has just been downloaded as a PNG. Then you can double click on it. And if you double click on it, here we go. Here is your image you just download. You can see how big it is. But at the same time, you can see it's actually there's also a space in between. But you can also try to, if you're using, for example, Canva or using other editing tool, you can also try to actually modify it to change the background of this image if you want. But at the same time, you can still upload this image to YouTube without any issue. So this is how you create a YouTube thumbnail in ChatGPT for free. I don't have any subscription with ChatGPT, so it is absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything for it.